Amazon Prime Day deals that you can start shopping now. So many great items, all the way from home to beauty to fashion, and just some random favorites from Amazon that you can find on Prime Day deals. We're gonna go ahead and rapid fire through these. Let's jump in. 57% price drop on this 7-piece comforter set. I have been a fan of this particular bedding brand on Amazon for years. It's truly top notch. I think this pin tuck bed comforter just alone is well worth even more than the sale price for all 7 pieces. It's really nice quality. It's easy to just throw in the wash if you need to wash it. And of course it does come with the sheets, pillowcases, and the shams. So comes in so many different color options. We're seeing that 57% off, and the price is going to exactly fluctuate depending on what size you get, whether if you get like a queen, a full, or a California king, but we are obsessed. And then along with that, our throw blanket, the most lush throw blanket, 45% off. So we actually have this in 2 colors. You can use this as a throw in your living room. You can use it on the end of your bed. It's truly just looks so elevated with just the detail on it. And again, the price is going to fluctuate depending on the size that you choose. If you don't have this stain remover, now is the time to grab it. Another very top anticipated trending deal right now during Prime Day. 31% off, which is going to bring it under $7. My daughter spilled a strawberry down my shirt the other day, and I was like, that's okay. It was a white shirt. I just went up and sprayed it. Gone. Like this, it truly is like a miracle stain remover, and it's non-toxic, so it's great to use for kids too. If you haven't jumped on the smart home plug trend yet, now is the time. 33% price drop. So that's going to bring the pack down to $20. You can pretty much set a time on your phone of when you want items in your home to turn on or off. So you can have the lights go on, you can have your picture frame go on at a certain time. This is also great for the holiday season when you want certain items to just turn on when it's light out. So you don't need to think about it. You just attach it to the app in your phone and adjust everything there. My jaw dropped when I saw that the Bach bag was going to be 20% off. So moms, I mean, anyone, this is great for the beach, the pool. I love my Bog bag, and I love the fact that if you get sand in it, it's easy to clean out. If it gets mud, it's easy to clean out. A sippy cup or food or something spills in there, it's easy to clean out. It comes in so many different color options, as well as different size options are available. I know they have the small itty bitty, they have the medium and the large. If you have any travel coming up, this is a top anticipated deal, 26% off. It comes in a bunch of different color options. Whatever one that you were looking for, they probably have it. It's going to bring the sale down to about $21. This can hold a 17-inch laptop. You can use it for hiking, backpacking, as a carry-on bag, as a business bag, so many uses. 20% off Sol de Janeiro, and specifically their shower moisturizing cream is so luxurious in the shower. I love the slight vanilla scent that Sol de Janeiro has. This is always a top anticipated item in the Prime Day sale, and rarely does this brand run on sale, but they also do have their lotions and I believe the perfumes on sale too. Very excited that Tatcha is a part of Prime Day this year. So essentially this serum stick is Botox in a bottle. It is wild what this does. You can literally see a line start to disappear when you're putting this on your skin. So it's great for traveling when you might be a little bit more dehydrated. So you'll literally watch those fine lines just start to disappear. And it's really great, I found, for the eye area, especially fine lines that we have there. So we're seeing that 30% off. And then also their Dewy Skin Mist, which is another top seller, is also 30% off. If you kind of like that glass skin, that very glowy skin, put this over your makeup and it is stunning. My favorite cleansing balm, the Elmus cleansing balm, 30% off. Now this is the smaller version. It's down to $12, which is great if you haven't tried this product yet. It tends to be more of a pricier item. This just like melts your makeup away. As I'm getting ready for bed, I will warm this up in my hands. I'll rub it all over my skin, and it just, even waterproof makeup just melts it away. And then I'll go in and double cleanse it. Pure Minerals is also a part of the sale this year. I feel like lots of new brands are also on Prime Day sale this year, which is very exciting. So 20% off. This is a 4-in-1 mineral powder. So I love using powders. Actually, most of the time I will wear a powder foundation as opposed to a liquid foundation. This goes beautifully over concealer. It doesn't crease on my under eyes, and it also has added skin benefits to it as well. And it does not break out my very sensitive skin. Also, I love a powder in the summer season when it just tends to be hotter. You want a lighter coverage makeup. Definitely give it a try. My favorite makeup brushes, 20% off for Prime Day. I have most of the brushes from this brand. This is all that I use. They have a really great travel set. They have a really great face. So it's going to come with the bronzer, the blush, and then they do have the eye as well. Below, I will list my favorite, most used ones that I use every single day. But these wash well over time. They give that like flawless look to the skin. I mean, I can't recommend these makeup brushes enough. Paulas Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant is going to be 20% off. If you feel like you're struggling with enlarged pores, wrinkles, fine lines, this is such a great product. The salicylic acid really helps to reduce the pore size, clean it out. So if you're someone who has like almost like little bumps, it could be clogged pores under the skin. Over time, this is really going to help bring everything to the surface and clear that out. Over 108,000 star reviews on Amazon. This is just a skin favorite. 33% off of my T3 curling iron. Now, you'll usually see me with my hair curled in pretty much any video. This is the curling iron that I use. It is worth every single penny. 33% price drop. I use the 1 1/4 inch, but I do have the 3-pack. So it comes with 3 different barrels that kind of can interchange. So 2 options, kind of depending on what you're looking for. If you just go with the same curls every day, the 1 1/4 inch is going to be great. If you like to switch things up, I would recommend their trio. 25% off LRE Pose Moisturizer. This is a really great quality moisturizer. I feel like you're getting a really high-end product, but the price is really good on this one. 25% off, which is going to bring it under $18. Oil, fragrance-free, and this does have ceramides and niacinamide in it for ultimate hydration that doesn't irritate the skin. If you're looking to kind of optimize the growth of your hair, the Divy Scout Serum, 40% off. I am postpartum. So I had my daughter's 15 months I'm postpartum with my second. I had them very close. I had them 22 months apart. So I feel like my hair kind of went through the ringer, and I would use this Divy Scout Serum. And I feel like, well, actually I know I had less hair loss this time around. And I love this serum. It has this slight cooling feel when you put it on your scalp, which just feels really nice, especially in the summer season. And it doesn't make my hair feel greasy. When I'm on my hair wash day though, I always would put like a little extra here, and then I would do like a low bun and would kind of give it a little bit of a more sleek look because it gives a little bit of texture. So 40% off. I am so excited. The Beam Sleep like hot cocoa. I can't rave about this enough. You guys know I've shared this in my Amazon favorites videos in the past. I love the cocoa as well as their dream capsules. It is the best sleep I ever get. Ever. If I travel, I have to use it every night. It helps me get such a deep sleep, especially if you're someone who feels like when you lay your head down on the pillow at night, your mind just starts to race. That's me. And I think of all the things I'm doing tomorrow. And then I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm not falling asleep. And then I'm not falling asleep. Then it's just the spiral effect. So this has been so amazing for me in my sleep routine. I get such a deep sleep. I can see it on my Fitbit that my sleep quality is so much better. 30% off of the viral shapewear shorts. These are amazing for your thighs. If you don't want your thighs to rub together, this is just great. It also has a very nice cinching feel around the waistline, which is great. I also love to style this with dresses, especially in the summer season. It just gives me that extra bit of coverage. Amazing quality. You're going to see that 30% off. The popular Levi Wedgie straight jean, 40% off, which is going to bring it down to $47. I love this pair of denim, amazing quality. I always size up 1 in this brand. I always have across the board. I feel like they run a little bit on the smaller side. And this is one of Levi's most popular denim brands, so you can't go wrong with it. One of my all-time favorite lounge sets. I shared this in the winter season in the long sleeve version, and then in the spring I shared it in the short sleeve. This is actually a Skims Look for Less. It has a cinch on the side, but ladies, it has 2 inseam lengths. So taller friends, there's an option for you. And then if you're more petite, there's an option for you too. I love that this brand is size inclusive, but the quality is just outstanding. So save your money. We're seeing this 20% off, and I've shared it, I think, in 4 colors at this point. They're all beautiful. And then if you're looking for a little bit more of a sweater, a little bit more of a warmer material, this 2-piece set is actually a Free People Look for Less. I shared this in a few color options last fall. It's true to size. I love how this one tapers at the ankle. So it definitely has a little bit of a different fit than the previous lounge set. That's more of a straight style. This is more of a tapered, I would say a little bit more of a dressier style too. So love styling this into kind of early fall, and then I wear it all winter. True to size small, my 5'8.5" frame. I live in athletic shorts in the summer season. This is one of my favorites from Amazon. Comes in so many colors. Again, another really great expensive look for less. We are seeing that 43% off, which is going to bring down the shorts to $17. And they do run true to size. The waistline is so flattering too. If you're a Croc lover, 34% off. Now there's a percentage, kind of varies across men, women, and kids, but my husband loves them, my kids, they're so easy to just throw on, whether they're doing water activities outside or playing in the grass, you name it. We love our Crocs around here, and I've really drugged my feet. And then once the kids started wearing them and they love them, I'm like, I'm hooked again. But did you see some of Crocs' new styles, especially their women's sandals? I mean, they are stepping it up. If you're in need of some new sunglasses, the very popular, I would say, probably the most popular sunglass brand on Amazon, the Soho brand, is running 33% off. It's going to vary a little bit depending on the style that you choose, but there are so many options to choose from. So definitely peruse their Amazon storefront. I have a few that I've shared in the past that I just love. I mean, for the price point, you're getting a really good quality, and a lot of them are designer looks for less. Trust me when I tell you, you can get a Skims look bodysuit on Amazon. And another top selling brand, Pumi, they make the most luxurious, buttery soft bodysuits that wash well over time. Quality is incredible. You can layer them in the winter, wear them in the summer season. We're seeing all of those styles on major discount. Now, if you're looking for a really good quality blazer, the drop blazer, this is one of the most top anticipated deals in the fashion category on Prime Day. We're seeing a 46% price drop, which is going to bring it down to about $38. Talk about designer, like high quality, Nordstrom quality, feel, fit, everything at $38 is like unheard of. So comes in a bunch of different color options, and I wear my true to size small. We're seeing 19% off of this best-selling two-piece set. Guys, this set, I wear them separate all the time. So the pants are phenomenal. I love the stretchy waistband. I'll style them with a bodysuit. I'll dress it up a little bit with a blouse, or I'll wear it as a set. Obviously, it comes as a set, and the peplum top is stunning. It's one of those pieces that you can style business casual, and then also, like I said, mix and match and wear during the summer, fall season. True to size small, we're seeing 29% off. And a lot of the items, there's usually an extra coupon to clip. So always check that on the product page. I have drugged my feet for so long on barrel jeans, and these jeans truly got me hooked. 28% off. They are an Abercrombie look for less as well. The fit is incredible. I love the fact that they're not too loose, not too exaggerated when it comes to the barrel jeans, but we are seeing this barrel jean trend carry well into the fall and the winter season. So now would be a great time to snag it while it's on deal. I love these casual overalls. They are 21% off, a really great free people look for less. I love how you can adjust the sides here. I've shared it in the tan as well as this really fun warm orange color for the fall season. True to size, I'll layer a bodysuit underneath of it, so you can opt for the Pumi bodysuit that's on deal, and then add it with this with a cute white sneaker, and you'll wear it on repeat. Now for the summer season, if you're looking for a really good cover up, this is a best-selling cover up this year. Highly anticipated, 33% off, which is going to bring it down to $25. So I got the cream tan color because it goes with any swimsuit. And trust me, when you wear this, you're going to get so many compliments. It's so cute. And you can wear this with a bikini, a one piece, because it's a two-piece set. And then very excited about my artificial hanging flower pots. We hung these out and they just completely transformed the space. I feel like the color is so beautiful. They're faux, but they look really realistic. So the price percentage is going to depend depending on what color you get, but highly recommend, and you don't need to worry about watering them. And we get some pretty decent wind here, and they have not blown over. They're amazing. And like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box, as well as the pinned as the top comment. And I will keep all of those links up to date. If something sells out, I try to always find a replacement for that. But if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. I'm also giving away 2 $500 Amazon gift cards throughout the duration of Prime Day. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my newsletter down below, and then drop a comment letting me know what your favorite deal is, and that'll enter you into the giveaway.